I'm Tucker Tuff. My partner is Alex Bourget. He's a cameraman right now. This is our embedded systems final term project. It is a lap timer using a range sensor that automatically calculates the distance that you're standing at, or there's a wall. Every single time you start the race, it'll recalculate. Once starting the race, reset it. Once you start the race, right now it calculates and it'll give you a countdown with noise and the light, and then it will keep going until you cross the finish line, and it waits 2 seconds before it can stop to let you have time to get off the line.